Hello to all my Lovin Light Beans, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, and this is Green. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing for Glossybox, and we're going to be doing a September versus October. So I went ahead and saved my subscription from last month and this month so that I could do this video in comparison of each other. And they usually always come with a flyer, and the inside of the box, that's what this looks like. So let's go ahead and open it up, and the first thing I see in here is a charcoal mask, charcoal pore care, and it is by Lapkos. The full size retails for $3.50 per sheet. Lapkos Charcoal Daily Skin Mask uses salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and charcoal extract to remove toxins and keep your skin in a state of deep hydration. Unlike other masks that just exfoliate your skin, Lapkos also tightens your pores, making those nasty holes in your face a thing of the past. So that's pretty awesome. Looking forward to trying that. The next thing in here is by Freeman. It says, Psst, original dry shampoo in citrus. The full size retails for $6.99 in a 5.3 ounce. This is 1.76 ounces. It says, being a powerful woman means not always getting time to shower. Psst, citrus instant dry shampoo helps you seize the day by transforming dull hair into a fresh look without having to lather up. Powder eliminates odor, absorbs oil, and boosts volume, so just spray and you're ready to go. Now, I've gotten a couple of these dry shampoos in the past and I haven't tried them. I've actually given to my mom, and I don't know if she's actually used them either. So I'll go ahead and pass this on to her as well. I tend to just use my regular Paul Mitchell Tea Tree. I love that shampoo, so I use that all the time, the shampoo and the conditioner. The next thing in here is by Mood Match. Okay, you want to say bye? Say bye. He wants to get down. Twist Stick Lip Color, full size, retails for $10, so this is a full size. Mood Matcher takes you back to the days of mood rings, but without the 70s big hair. A sleek, slim lipstick that changes to match your body's chemistry, gives you a personalized shade that's unique to you. The tapered tip helps create clean lines on your lips without sacrificing a long-lasting wear. Colors will vary. So I believe there was three different colors that they had sent to people, and I was lucky enough to get the black. And I opened it up and I checked it out without realizing what it was, without reading it, and I thought it was a black lipstick. But when you apply it, it doesn't come off as black at all. As you can see, it matches your lip tone. I actually have stuff on my lips now, but as you can see, it is very pigmented. I just gave myself a blush look, so it's multitasking already. Look at the difference between the sides. So that is really cool. Can be used for blush as well. And once again, it's by Mood Matcher, so that's really awesome. I like that actually. Okay, so let's go back in. The next thing is by Context. Microderm Regenerator. Full size retails for $35, which is 4 ounces. This is a quarter of the size in 1 ounce. Context Microderm Regenerator brings the same crystals used in a professional microdermabrasion treatment to your own home. Both a cleanser and gentle exfoliator, the powerful antioxidants fight damage and protect skin cells while polishing and removing dead skin, leaving you soft and hydrated. Microderm regenerator. And it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it just yet. One of the things that I don't like about microdermabrasion stuff is they tend to be made out of a grit, and it tends to clog my pores a lot, so I kind of refrain from using it on my face. But if I have like dry patches somewhere on my body, I'll use that for other areas, but I tend to try to refrain from using it on my face because it clogs my pores. So the next thing in here was actually this here. It's called Sweet and Naughty, and I'll actually put a picture up real quick right here. But it is a body mist, and it says Wild Garden Body Mist in Sweet and Naughty. The full size was $10.95, and that was for 3.3 fluid ounces, which is what it was. And it reminded me of my late granddad's wife, Lovin. Shout out Lovin. Hope to see you soon. We actually have plans to go and see her for Thanksgiving, so that's going to be so much fun because my birthday falls right around the same time. So it says, scent is the strongest sense tied to memory, and with Wild Garden Sweet and Naughty Body Mist Spray, you'll leave a lasting impression on everyone you meet. A blend of orange blossom and jasmine, the girl next door meets a sultry devil in disguise. It's perfect as a gift for yourself or a friend, so I gifted it to her. Plus, when I smelt it, it reminded me of her so much, and I was like, I know she would love it as well. So the last thing in here, but not least, is by Style, London. It's 9-color eyeshadow palette in Eaton Square. Full size retails for $15. Say goodbye to the stress of finding just the right shade of eyeshadow with the Style London Eaton Square eyeshadow palette. The perfect combination of 9 colors gives you a look for every occasion, and the paraben-free ingredients keep your body as beautiful on the inside as you look on the outside. So that is really awesome, you guys. So that's it for my September box. The retail value is $21 per month, and the palette alone was $15. The Mood Matcher lipstick was $10, so that's $25 there. The Wild Garden Body Mist Spray was $10.95, so that's $35.95. Plus it came with the microdermabrasion, the skin mask, which was $3.50, and then the dry shampoo. So you get a really good deal. It's a good bang for your buck when you go with Glossybox. So that was September. Let's go ahead and dive into October and see what it's all about. Come here, say hi, quit being mischief. Look, say hi, it's your first videos, yeah. Not first videos, but it's his first time doing videos with me and unboxings, and he tends to get a little shy, but that's okay. You're gonna get used to that, huh? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Okay. So, for October, once again, we have the same theme. The black ribbon matches the inside of the box. And one thing I actually did was I bought me this plastic case. Maybe I'll show you in another video how I organized my stuff, but I saved all my boxes and I used them as organizers in my drawers. So that was a real good idea for recycling or upcycling. I used my Glossybox and my Birch boxes, and they came in really handy. So this next theme is Glossy Retreat, and on the inside it shows you all the products that you're getting. And I was a little bit unhappy with this box, and for one reason only, that there's no makeup products in here. So let's go ahead and check it out. The first thing in here is by Lumine. It's an eye gel. The full size is $14, and this is the full size here as featured. gives the skin around your eyes the hydration it needs with Lumine's eye gel, A combination of pure Arctic spring water and organic Nordic birch sap promotes a healthy and hydrated look for the delicate skin around your eye. This exclusive Hydra technology keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it's all about. Lumi Purity Dewdrops. Oh wow, that is a nice size. 0.5 ounces. Purity Dewdrops Hydrating Eye Gel. So that's really awesome. I have a lot of eye products that I've been trying lately. That's another one thing that I can never have too much of. Brushes and eye gels. The next thing in here is by Georgette Klinger Rose Clarifying Toner. Oh, let me grab that real quick just so green don't get into it. Georgette Klinger Rose Clarifying Toner. The full size is 6.7 ounces. This is 1.7 ounces. Retails for $26. A botanical blend of witch hazel, antioxidants, and aloe vera dissolves dirt to deep clean your pores while maintaining healthy hydration and pH balance. Not only does it clean your skin, but rose, lavender, and jasmine flower extract helps keep the grease off your face throughout the day. Oh, and it's sealed also. I just wanted to smell it, but obviously it's a mix of rose, lavender, and jasmine, so that's really awesome. I love toners. Toner is another thing I use every day underneath my moisturizer. The next thing in here is by Pai Xiao, Passion for Life. Pai Xiao Supreme Revitalizing Mask, featured full size, $14, which is this here, 1.7 fluid ounces. Brings weightless bounce and volume to your hair with Pai Xiao's signature tea complex, a mixture of 5 different kinds of teas. The blend repairs, exfoliates, nourishes, and strengthens hair all at once. Wow. Nourishing damaged cuticles, this hair mask will make your hair shine. So one of the things I do with all my hair products is I've been giving them to my mom, so she's going to enjoy this as well. Intense moisture for all hair types. And since she does have color treated hair, I tend to tell her to use as much hair products as she can, especially when it comes to protecting from the heat. You want to use a heat protector or a hair moisturizer, some kind of leave-in detangling heat protecting conditioner after you get out of the shower, apply to your hair while it's damp. So she's going to enjoy that. The next thing in here is an Invisibobble, and it is a scrunchie. Oh, and it's on the inside. I can feel it. It's one of those elastic, it looks like a keychain armband. I don't know how to describe it, but I think you all know what it is. Invisibobble, the scrunchie. This one here retails for $8. It says, bring the 80s back. The Invisibobble scrunchie gives you the blast from the past look you want with the modern technology you need. The integrated spiral hair ring prevents tugging and pulling while keeping your hair in place, giving you the ultimate in comfort without sacrificing style. So that's really awesome. I'll have to think of who I want to give that to, but I'm not wearing scrunchies yet. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is actually getting really long. I just sprayed a bunch of hairspray on it and slicked it back for the video. But I'll try to do some styles in the future. I was trying to grow it out for the longest time. My sides and the back were pretty long, but I had shaved them down. You can't really tell here, but I have what's called a skater cut, where it's long on the top and then the sides and the back is shaved. So maybe if you're interested, I can go ahead and post the video of me cutting my hair as well. Put it all in fast forward. That way it takes like the 15 minutes down to 2. Let's go on. By Taka Montauk Salt Air Cucumber. Montauk candle. Oh, it's a candle. The full size is 10 ounces. This is only 1.2 ounces, but the full size goes for $42. That's a pretty expensive candle. Salty air, cucumber, and sea grass come together for the perfect handcrafted scent to add the air of indulgence to your bathroom routine. Once you've burned your candle all the way down, use the glass container as a jewelry holder or a decorative addition around your house. So let's go ahead and give this a smell. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, and it actually smells really good, kind of refreshing and clean. Definitely has that cucumber smell to it. So I'll just have to pop this into the bathroom and light it up when I take a bath or something. And last but not least is by Nails Inc. Victory Palace Nail Polish. There's the shade there, pink. Now my mom is another thing that I give all my nail products to, at least nail polish. So hopefully she'll like this. It's kind of girly, but it'll be cute. The full size retails for $15, and that is what's featured here. It says, bringing the nail salon to the comfort of your home. Nails Inc. exclusive brush is designed to work with the shape of your nail, giving you a flawless finish. With tons of beautifully rich colors to choose from, you'll love these glossy, long-lasting colors that come in every bottle. So that's it for my September versus October glossy box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. And we'll see you in the next one.